I know this period that tomato is actually costly and scarce in the country. Tomato stew like this is no longer in our food menu. What if I tell you can actually enjoy a healthy stew like this without tomatoes? Oh yes, you heard me right, without tomatoes. So join me, let me show you all how to prepare it. So basically these are the ingredients we need: some cayenne pepper, that is the shombo, some Scotch bonnet pepper, popular known as the Atarodo, some Tatashe, that is the bell pepper, some carrots, beef, power oil and some spice. I'll be adding the full ingredients to the description box down below, so please do ensure you check it out. First I started with the meat. After cleaning it up, I seasoned it up with some onion, ginger and garlic paste, some curry powder, thyme and some salt to taste. I then mixed everything together. I also added nut seasoning cube to give it a signature taste and allow it to steam up just so the meat can release its natural liquid. After about 3 minutes, the meat has released its natural liquid, so I went ahead to add enough water to it, then covered and allowed to cook. Next, I went ahead to clean up the carrots. I'm actually using a whole lot because this will be replacing our tomatoes. These carrots were quite sandy at first. I had to wash it for about 4 to 5 times. So peeling the back of the carrots with the kitchen peeler will help you get rid of some extra dirt. If you don't have a kitchen peeler, you can choose to use a knife to just scrape up the back. Just anyone that you're most comfortable with. So after peeling the carrots, I went ahead to give it a quick rinse before grating. This is actually an extra step you can choose to omit by just cutting yours into smaller chunks, just for easy blending. Just in case if you're new to the channel, I'm Joy by name, and in this channel I share recipes on how to make a healthy meal, juice and also smoothies. So please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new amazing recipes. Do ensure you like, share it with your friends and loved ones, and leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. So after grating the carrots, I went ahead to remove the veins and the seeds of bell pepper because they could be quite bitter in food. For the cayenne pepper, you can choose to remove the seeds like me, just in case if you can't withstand the heat, because I'll be adding lots of Scotch bonnet pepper as well. So after about 40 minutes, I checked on the meat and I realized it's fully cooked. I'm so sorry I had to throw in some Scotch bonnet pepper to the meat just for extra heat off camera. Next, I went ahead to transfer the pepper into the blender alongside with the carrots. I also added enough water to it, then cover and allow to blend to a puree. Remember, this carrot and pepper mix is going to be replacing our tomato in the regular tomato stew. So to make the stew, I had to heat up some power oil in my pot on medium heat, then transferred the cooked beef and allowed to fry till it was nice and golden brown. In the same oil, I had to saute some onion and allow to fry till it was fragrant. I also added some ginger and garlic paste just for flavor building. So after about 2 minutes of frying, I had to transfer the carrot pepper blend mix, then mix everything together and allow to fry, although this will take a little time. So when the carrot pepper blend mix was properly fried, I went ahead to season it up. I added some curry powder, some thyme, no chicken seasoning cube, some crayfish powder and some salt to taste. Then mix everything together and allow to fry. So after about 2 minutes, I added the fried beef and some leftover chicken that I had. I also added some meat stock to it in order to loosen up the consistency of the stew. Then mixed everything together and allowed the meat to actually absorb the liquid from the stew. So this was 5 minutes later and our carrot stew is gradually coming together. One can easily say that there's tomato in this stew, but there's absolutely no single tomato in the stew. So to boost the flavor of the stew, I also added some green bell pepper to it and allowed to fry for 2 extra minutes before removing from heat. And guys, our carrot stew is pretty much ready. Be sure to give this a try, most especially this period that tomato is actually showing everybody sugar in the country. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.